Yes, sir. Hey, today we're gonna make some delicious tacos. I already got that pico rocking in the fridge, and I'll go ahead and put a link up to that later. You guys have seen me make that pico before, so there's really no reason to show you how to do it now, but I'll put the link up. That way you can see that video. Cheers to my current friends, and cheers to my new friends. Cheers, baby. Oh, too early for that? No, almost too early, but not. Hey, 1800, baby. Now this is a complete flat iron steak. This comes from my buddies at Land of Oz Beef here in Kansas, and I'll tell you what, it is very delicious black Angus beef. Man, some of the best beef I've had, I don't know, ever. We need to pat it dry. We want to get it as dry as possible because we're gonna do a dry brine. Now, what we're taking off of here may look like blood to you, but it is not blood. It is a protein called myoglobin, and it is found in the muscles of the beef. So this is myoglobin, it is not blood. You have to know that. A lot of people are scared of it. You'll talk to people and they'll say, oh, you know what? I don't want to touch beef, or I don't want to handle it or whatever because it's, gonna get blood on me. No, it's myoglobin. It's actually a protein. If you guys haven't seen one of these, this is called a jacquard. Now what we're gonna do is go ahead and poke holes in this. Now, well, first of all, let me show you. Woo, look at that bad boy. Yeah, that shit'll fuck you up. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is get through the meat, right? When we get through the meat, get this nice and tender. All right, so we're gonna be using this Lowry's carne asada seasoning. You know, Lowry's is like killing it right now, man. There's a lot of people using that Lowry's on their briskets and stuff like that. Not this one, but the regular Lowry seasoned salt on their briskets, and they're killing it with that, man. So Lowry's knows what they're doing. Hey, I'm gonna tell you what, a lot of people are gonna say, oh, you're using carne asada seasoning, you don't know how to cook, all that. Man, you guys have seen plenty of videos of me cooking tacos the old school way. I'm gonna tell you what, a Mexican told me about this, you know what I'm saying? So I guess that gives me a pass, right? So we're gonna hit this, and what we want is a nice liberal coating over the whole flat iron, all of it. So it's gonna take a little bit. It's a little bit thicker at the top. Might have to take the top off of this actually, get it to open up a little bit because it's full. So nice thing about Lowry's is they do fill it up. So I might need to get some of this out of here just to make it easier to spread. All right, so we got our gallon Ziploc bag here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this up, and it's okay to be folded. Roll it up, we're gonna put it in our gallon Ziploc bag, and we're gonna let it sit in here all day. Hey, and you guys know what it is? Hey, look, got the bottle, gotta hit it real quick. Okay, we'll do a half. A lot of people complain about my drinking on the channel, so hey, cheers to my current friends and to my new friends. Hey, look, we have to do what we have to do. What do you guys drink when you cook? You telling me that you actually cook without drinking? Stop lying. Put it in the comments, man. Hey, whatever it is you guys like to drink, put it in the comments, man. I'm interested. I might grab a bottle, So, hey, I'll see you guys in about 8 hours after this dry brine, and then we'll go straight to the grill. So our flat iron has been dry brining for about 8 hours. Now we're gonna take it out, get it on the grill, 450 degrees, hot and fast. So we got the flat iron on the pit boss, and we're gonna leave it here and let it go hot and fast for, I don't know, a couple minutes till we get to 125 degrees. And then we will go ahead, let it rest for a minute, and then get to slicing, get to these tacos, man. All right, let's open it up, see what we have. Let's go ahead and flip once. Ooh, get that flat iron going, look at that. All right, leave that down there. Woo. All right, so my temp probe says we're a little hotter than we want it to be, as I was on the phone, but we're gonna be good anyway. So we're gonna take that, put it on the board, take it inside, and we're gonna let it rest. All right, so we've rested our flat iron for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it, check it out. Looking pretty delicious. Now, if you see the grain on the flat iron is kind of running this way around, this way. So what we need to do is cut it across here and then cut it this way. So take a look at it here, and you'll see the grain. So what we want to do is cut here, and you see it. Now we're going to cut this direction. All right, now you can see we're cutting across. I was talking on the phone and it got a lot closer to well, but I can tell you what, I'm gonna make tacos with this and it's gonna be delicious anyways. So you go ahead and grab a bite. All right, let's try it out. Smells good. Tastes delicious, man. Super good. I tell you what, love me some good steak. Flat iron, hey, just as good. Just gotta dry brine it and tell you what, still good, real good steak. So we're looking pretty good, pretty good. Yes, sir. I mean, make me hungry. This is that pico I made yesterday, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a link to that video in the little thing up here for you guys. But let me get to these real quick. So I'm hungry, man, so let's eat. Try these out. Cheers.